Nigeria's Ministry of Finance has organized a workshop to curb waste of resources in ministries, departments and agencies across the country. The forum, tagged Cost Management on Overhead Expenditure for Directors, was held in Abuja, the nation's capital. Officials of the ministry say the workshop is part of efforts by the unit to achieve best value in public expenditure.
It basically has to do with how we should, as government, manage our costs better. As we all know, revenues coming to government have taken a big dip in the last couple of years, and it's imperative that we not only look at ways at how to generate more revenue for government, but at the same time we must also manage our costs more efficiently, because as we've seen, even though revenues have gone down in the last couple of years, expenditure, particularly overheads, personnel costs, have not gone down correspondingly. And that has created, of course, fiscal pressures for government. So what we are doing is to look at whatever ways we can to generate more savings, more efficiencies. Government should be run more efficiently. And savings realized from the greater efficiencies, we want those savings channeled into higher priority areas, basically infrastructure and social welfare spending.